Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create an ElevenReader account in just a few minutes. Whether you're planning to listen to books, articles, PDFs, or other documents with AI-powered narration, this guide will walk you through the entire sign-up process from start to finish. To get started, open your web browser and search for ElevenReader, or install the ElevenReader app from your device's app store if you're using a phone or tablet. Once you're on the website or inside the app, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button and select it to begin creating your account. You'll usually have several sign-up options available. You can continue with your Google account, your Apple account on supported devices, or create an account using your email address. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. If you're signing up with your email, enter your email address, create a secure password, and follow the prompts to finish registration. Depending on your region or device, you may also be asked to verify your email before continuing. After your account has been created, sign in if you're not logged in automatically. So you'll then be taken to the ElevenReader home screen where you can start exploring the available features. You're now ready to use ElevenReader. You can browse available content, upload supported documents, or begin listening to articles and books using realistic AI voices. Take a few moments to explore the interface and customize any settings you prefer, and that's it. You've successfully created your ElevenReader account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.